2by plus sin y into dy by dx is equal to a nana. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus a divided by 2by in plus sin y is the required solution. Once again, all of you, Babu, okay na? Right, all of you now once again. The first problem, 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Differentiate with respect to x. 2 into x derivative 1 plus 3 into y derivative dy by dx. Right hand side sin y derivative cos y, y derivative dy by dx. So, this dy by dx value sending right hand side. After that, collecting the coefficient of dy by dx. So, cos y minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to a. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to right multiplied left hand side divided. So, that means 2 divided by cos y minus 3. Go for the next problem. Ax plus by square equal to cos y. Differentiate with respect to x. A into x derivative 1, b into y square derivative 2y, y derivative dy by dx. Cos y derivative minus sin y, y derivative dy by dx. So, collecting the coefficient of dy by dx. All dy by dx terms sending right hand side. Then dy by dx coefficient common factor, that is 2by plus sin y into dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to right hand side this term multiplied, left hand side divided beta. Minus a by 2by plus sin y nana is the required solution. You don't have brain. Writing the notes. Close first of all biology textbooks. Dirty fellows. Right, the next question. The next problem is fourth one. xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Tan x plus y nana. Same, differentiate with respect to x beta. Right, all of you. Derivative of u into v nana. U dash x derivative 1 into y plus x into y derivative dy by dx. Y square derivative just look like derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 into function derivative. Y square derivative 2y, y derivative with respect to x, dy by dx nana. Tan x derivative secant square x plus y derivative dy by dx nana. Overall, collecting the coefficient of dy by dx. This secant square x value sending left hand side, 1 into y equal to y minus secant square of x. So, this whole thing sending right hand side, dy by dx coefficient common factor 1 minus x minus 2y into dy by dx nana. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y minus secant square of x whole divided by 1 minus x minus 2 times of y nana. 1 minus x minus 2 times of y. All of you, once again listen now. xy means this is product of two terms, derivative of uv formula. What is the derivative of uv? d by dx of uv is equal to, that is u dash into v plus u into v dash. So now I write u is equal to x, v is equal to y beta. U dash x derivative 1 into v means y plus u means x, y derivative nana dy by dx plus y square derivative. This look like derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, where n is equal to 2 into y to the power of 2 minus 1 into y is a function of x, y derivative dy by dx. RHS value nana tan x derivative secant square x, y derivative dy by dx. We have to determine dy by dx. Dy by dx term separately, remaining all the terms separately we can write. This secant square x value right hand side positive nana, sending left hand side negative sign, y minus secant square x. All dy by dx terms collecting, sending right hand side, then collecting the coefficient of dy by dx. So dy by dx coefficient right hand side 1 nana, this minus plus x sending right hand side minus x, and plus 2y sending right hand side minus 2y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, right hand side this term multiplied, left hand side divide. So y minus secant square x by 1 minus x minus 2y. All of you clear na? Right. The next problem, fifth one ma, x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100 and we have to determine dy by dx beta. So same procedure nana, differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative 2x into x derivative nana with respect to x 1 plus here derivative of uv, x derivative 1 into y plus x into y derivative dy by dx, y square derivative 2y, y derivative dy by dx. What about right hand side value? Constant. Derivative of any constant becomes to 0 nana. All of you, once again ma, x square derivative 2x plus x derivative 1 into y plus x into y derivative dy by dx. Y square derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, 2 into y to the power of 2 minus 1 into y is a function of x, y derivative dy by dx. Generally student they are thinking, yes sir, there into y derivative dy by dx. What about here? X derivative with respect to x nana, d by dx of x is equal to 1. Right hand side nana constant derivative 0, which implies 2 into x is equal to x, 1 into y is equal to y nana. Remaining dy by dx terms completely transfer to right hand side, that is x plus 2y into dy by dx ma, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. That's all. Right multiplied, left hand side divide. Sixth one, x cube plus x square into y, x into y square plus y cube is equal to nana 81 is equal to 81, right? All of you differentiate with respect to x nana. X cube derivative 3x square into x derivative 1 plus derivative of u into v nana. X square derivative 2x into y plus x square into y derivative dy by dx beta plus derivative of uv x derivative 1 into y square plus x into y square derivative 2y y derivative dy by dx plus y cube derivative 3y square y derivative dy by dx, derivative of a constant 0 nana. Derivative of a constant is 0. Once again, x cube derivative 3x square plus derivative of uv u dash x square derivative 2x into y plus x square into y derivative dy by dx plus derivative of uv x derivative 1 into y square plus x into y square derivative 2y y derivative dy by dx y cube derivative 3y square into y is the function of x y derivative dy by dx. So collecting the coefficient of dy by dx term separately, remaining term separate beta. Without dy by dx term means 3 times of x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square nana is equal to minus of dy by dx coefficient, whole thing sending right hand side, x square plus 2xy plus 3 times of y square into dy by dx beta. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus of, minus multiplied both side, right multiplied left hand side divide 3x square plus 2xy plus y square whole divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3 times of y square is the required solution. Today evening, I can check your classroom by the time, evening time, all the students' notebooks also better. Because if they are not writing the notes, then difficult. Right, next one. Seventh one, na? Sin square y plus cos of xy is equal to nana k is equal to k beta. Right? Differentiate with respect to x comma. This statement is essential. Right, sin y whole square nana, derivative of x power n formula 2 times of sin y into sin y derivative cos y into y derivative dy by dx plus cos x derivative minus sin x sin of xy into this xy means inside function derivative of uv x derivative 1 into y plus x into y derivative dy by dx. K constant value should be 0 beta. Once again, na, sin square y can be written as sin y whole square. Sin square y can be written as sin y whole square. Derivative of x power n n into x to the power of n minus 1. So that is equivalent to 2 times of sin y into sin y derivative cos y into dy by dx. Cos x derivative minus sin x, but which is not x. X are replaced by xy be given. Now we use derivative of uv formula. U dash x derivative 1 into y plus x into y derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. Collecting the coefficient of dy by dx beta. So here we can write on one more step. 2 sin a cos a. Yesterday also done. Sin angle of 2a beta. Sin 2y dy by dx minus, that is sin of xy into y minus sin xy into x into dy by dx is equal to 0, which implies dy by dx coefficient collecting sin 2y, last term x sin of x sin of xy into dy by dx is equal to y sin of xy, y sin of xy. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y sin xy divided by sin 2y minus x sin of xy. Once again, sin square y derivative 2 sin y derivative cos y is a function of x, that is dy by dx. Cos x derivative minus sin of xy into derivative of uv beta, x derivative 1 into y plus x into y derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin angle of 2 into a replaced by y beta into dy by dx multiplied inside the bracket sin of xy into y minus into plus minus sin of xy into x into dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx coefficient collecting sin to y minus x into sin of xy. This term sending right hand side y times of sin of xy. Left multiplied, right hand side divide is the required solution. All of you? Right, all of you. The next problem, eighth one. Sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Same, sin square x means sin x whole square, derivative of x power n into x to the power of n minus 1. N means 2 times of sin x into sin x derivative cos x into x derivative 1. Cos square y means 2 cos y derivative minus sin y derivative dy by dx, derivative of a constant 0 beta. 2 sin x cos x sin 2x, 2 sin y cos y sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. I need the value of dy by dx. Sin 2x is equal to sin angle of 2y into dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y is the required solution. Explain once again. All of you know sin x whole square. This look like derivative of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. N means 2 into sin x whole power 2 minus 1 equal to 1 into sin x derivative cos x plus cos square y derivative 2 cos y. Cos y derivative nana minus sin y minus into plus minus into y is a function of x. Y derivative dy by dx. Constant derivative nana 0. 2 sin a cos a sin angle of 2a. 2 sin y cos y sin 2y into dy by dx. We have to determine dy by dx beta. This sending right hand side positive sign. Right sin 2y multiplied, left hand side divide nana is the required solution. Now, any problem? No, is there any doubt here? After class. Right, the next problem. We need nana little bit some concepts required trigonometry. If they are thorough, only each problem contains 1 second also we are able to answer the questions. I think some of the students they say initially we are not thorough trigonometry formulas. Now I am going to explain those formulas. Okay, beta? Complete na this formula? Right. Right. Seen in all of you? Sin 2a 2 times of sin a into cos a beta. That is sin 2a formula in terms of sin and cos. What about sin 2a in terms of tan nana? Sin 2a in terms of tan 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square of a. We need these formulas beta. Third one, cos 2a in terms of cos and sin cos square a minus sin square a in terms of only cos 2 cos square a minus 1 only sin 1 minus 2 sin square a only tan 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a nana. That is only in terms of tan. Right. Next one, tan 2a in terms of tan 2a in terms of tan 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Next one, cot 2a in terms of cot square a minus 1 divide by 2 cot a beta. Next one, sin 3a 3 times of sin a minus 4 times of sin cube of a nana. Cos 3a 4 cos cube of a minus 3 times of cos a. Next one, tan 3a is equal to 3 times of tan a minus tan cube of a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Ninth one, cot 3a is equal to cot cube of a minus 3 cot a divided by 3 cot square a minus 1. Right now I need these all the formulas beta. Right, come to the point na problems. Ninth one, y is equal to inverse sine of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now all of you stop writing, listen now beta. Sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Right, what is the derivative of sine inverse x beta? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. You can apply direct differentiation formula also, but it will take time, Nana. At least minimum 3-4 minutes required. If you know the trigonometry formulas, we are able to answer the question only 1 second or 2 seconds also, like these problems. But competitive exams level, board of examination level, very important applications. How to determine 2x by 1 plus x square? Yes, is in the form of 2x by 1 plus x square. What is x? 2x by 1 plus x square. What is x? X is equal to tan A. Even though we have our 10th class formulas also there actually. Even using, you forget these all the formulas. If you know the 10th class formulas also, you can solve very simple manner. See all of you, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Whenever 1 minus x square be given, what is the substitution? 1 minus x square be given, what is the substitution? Either x is equal to cos theta or x is equal to sin theta only. What is the reason? 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Okay, sir. Now I am going to substitute tan theta formula. 1 minus tan square theta, we don't have any formula. 1 plus tan square theta, we have a formula. 1 plus cosecant square theta, we don't have any formula. 1 minus cosecant square theta, we don't have any formula. What is the reason is, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Secant and tan relation, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosecant and cot relation, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. See observation. If I write x is equal to, suppose cosecant theta substitute, 1 minus cosecant square theta, we don't have formula. 1 minus tan square theta also we don't have. 1 minus cot square also we don't have. Only 1 minus x square whenever be given, either x is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos theta only. What is the reason? Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, whenever 1 minus x square be given, simply x is equal to either sin theta or cos theta beta. Suppose they ask the question 1 plus x square be given, we can substitute. Tell me now anyone, what is the function? 1 plus x square be given, either x is equal to tan theta or x is equal to cot theta only. Because cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We can substitute only either x is equal to tan theta or x is equal to cot theta only beta. Once if you know that this concept, you can solve very simple manner these all the problems. See all of you, denominator 1 plus x square be given. We have to substitute either tan theta or cot theta. After simplification, Answers are same beta. So now I am going to substitute beta. Put x is equal to tan theta. Please don't write. Put x is equal to tan theta. Implies applying both sides on inverse. Tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of tan theta. Nana. Tan inverse tan theta equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Right? Therefore, the above problem becomes y is equal to inverse sine of x is equal to tan theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square of theta. Nana. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? That is equivalent to sine angle of 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sine angle of 2 theta. Therefore, we can write here inverse sine of sine angle of 2 theta. Nana. Sine inverse sine 2 theta equal to 2 theta, which implies 2 into what is theta? Tan inverse of x. This what we call y. Differentiate with respect to x. Nana. That is equivalent to y derivative dy by dx. So 2 into what is tan inverse x derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square. Nobody practice formulas. That's all. Okay, once again in all of you, whenever 1 plus x square be given, we can substitute either tan theta or cot theta only. Okay, sir. Suppose if you substitute cot theta, your answer is different. Student, they are thinking. Now I am going to explain that also. No. See, Nana, if I write x is equal to tan theta, the given problem becomes sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is equivalent to Nana, sin 2 theta. Therefore, sin inverse sin 2 theta equal to 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Tan inverse x. Right, tan inverse x. This is what we call y. Up to this simplification only for trigonometric functions. Differentiate with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 divided by 1 plus x square is the required solution. Understand? Please write down. Now I am going to explain alternate method also. Time is there, ma. Still 10 minutes left over. Okay. Now, right hand side, all of you, what are these formulas? Yes, tomorrow onwards I can bring one stick also, otherwise difficult. Yes, that's good. Right. Right. Put x is equal to, in case cot theta implies theta equal to cot inverse of x beta. Now the above problem becomes y is equal to inverse sine of 2 times of cot theta divided by 1 plus cot square of theta. 1 plus cot square theta. See, that is equivalent to inverse sine of 2 into cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta nana, is equivalent to inverse sine of 2 tan square theta divided by tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta, tan square get cancel. Implies sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta nana, is equivalent to sine inverse of sine angle of 2 theta is equal to theta. Right. That is equivalent to 2 times of theta equal to cot inverse of x nana. Right. What is the variance nana difference? Tan theta derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Either you can write minus cot inverse x or you can write tan inverse x. Correct? So, differentiate with respect to x nana. Differentiate with respect to x. So, y derivative dy by dx, that is 2 divided by cot inverse x derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the reason? The difference between the two, between two, tan be given, cot be given, only for sign different, but both the answers are valid. Sin cos be given. What is sin inverse x derivative? What is sin inverse x derivative? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is cos inverse x derivative? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Either you can write sin inverse x or you can write minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse x, cot inverse x be given. Either you can write tan inverse x or you can write minus cot inverse x. But answers are same because cot inverse x is equal to minus of tan inverse x. Minus minus plus. Right. That also correct answer beta. You can write final examination. Either you can write the first formula or you can write the second formula also. Right. One more problem. Simple problem beta. Next one ma. Right. Y is equal to problem number 10. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square nana. Given interval minus 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3 beta. Without interval nana, too many answers are possibility in this problem. So with intervals be given between minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3, that is the restricted domain, only one answer possible. If it is not mentioned the domain, we can write different answers also. So what is the substitution here? This look like 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Therefore, put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Implies theta equal to tan inverse of x nana. Now this problem becomes y is equal to inverse tan of 3 times of tan theta minus tan cube of theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta beta, which is equivalent to tan inverse of tan of 3 theta. Tan inverse tan 3 theta. 3 theta. What is theta? Tan inverse of x nana. Differentiate with respect to x nana. Y derivative dy by dx. What is tan inverse x derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square. That's all. Right? Thank you, Nana. Bob.